Back in the deer woods again. Got a buddy coming down for the muzzleloader hunt. Whipping up a quick set here on a ground blind. Got some cameras out. There's heavy crossing. Lots of bucks coming through, but pretty tight shooting. Like you're not shooting any more than 30 or 40 yards. I set 6 cameras in this chunk of public land the day after deer season ended, the rifle hunt. So I picked up 2, and both lots of action on them. No bait, just setting on runways. Gonna continue down. I got 4 more to pick up, a little more scouting, and we're done for the day. 1, 2, 3. Couple day old scrape coming down this deer trail. Just missed it. There's the camera on the tree.